how to increase the volume of your alarm on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let's continue with the video. So the volume rockers on your device might not be controlling the actual ringer and alert section. So when I press the volume keys on my phone, it is directly increasing the volume of the ringer. But in your case, it might be controlling the media volume, which you can see over here in the control center. So let's say your alarm is not ringing at the volume that you want it to. Well, that is because the ringer volume is low, not this volume. So let me show you how you can increase the volume of the ringer. First up, you go to settings, and in settings you go to the sounds and haptics section, and in this section you can see the ringer and alerts volume. All you have to do is increase it, and that's it. Your alarm and your phone call ringer volume is controlled by this. So once that's done, you can go back home, and this time the volume will be increased. And also you can check the option which is called change with buttons. So whenever you use your volume buttons, it is the ringer volume which is being controlled and not the media volume. The media volume will always be controlled through the control center by default. You don't need to worry about that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment down below, and also like the video, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.